welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a great day. Just want to take you guys along and show you what I'm doing today. Okay guys, I actually want to make some stew, but first I need to tidy up my sink. I need to do some tidy up first, just around here, before I can start doing any cooking. Yeah. I hope your day is going well, everyone. I just woke up like about an hour ago. I was very busy yesterday. So yeah, I'm doing a bit of a late cooking today. This is already past 1. Today is Wednesday, September 20 something. Can't even remember today's date. Yeah, but anyway, I just woke up because last night I was very busy. I didn't go to bed until about past 2 or 3, so I woke up quite late. So I'm just about to make some dinner now and do some tidy up in the kitchen. Yeah, so maybe this video is going to be like a cook and eat and tidy and clean, random stuff. Yeah, so I hope you will enjoy this video. If you do enjoy it, once you watch it to the end, even if you don't watch it to the end, but if you do enjoy a bit of it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't give it a thumbs down, please guys, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Even if you don't like the video, you don't have to do anything, just move along. Okay guys, thanks a lot, and I'll continue what I'm doing, and I hope you enjoy it and I hope you gain something. Okay guys, I'm just going to eat first. I'm really hungry. So I have some spaghetti I made some days back. So I'm just going to eat some of that first because I'm really hungry. And some chicken. I made this chicken peri some days back, so I'm going to be eating that as well. Okay guys, I'll make it warm, and then maybe you guys can come and join me eat. While I wait for my food to eat, I'm just going to, oh, this is the chicken I'm going to be using to make some stew. It's chicken and turkey. The turkey is at the bottom. So I'm just going to clean and tidy this area first. The sink. Let's bring the camera closer. I hope you guys can see the chicken. Yeah, so it's chicken and turkey in there. So all I simply do is just wash the meat, put it in the pot, put some chicken seasoning, some non-cubes, some rosemary. I put some rosemary in there, and then also I put some chicken seasoning if I haven't mentioned it already. And what else did I put in there again? Some pepper, grounded chili pepper. Yeah, that's it. So, and then it's cooking. So I'm going to eat now because I'm very hungry. I'm just going to take my food from the microwave. It's in there. Yeah, so I'm going to eat, guys. Spaghetti with some vegetable and peri-peri chicken I made myself. Okay, guys, let's go and eat. Come and eat, guys. Okay, guys, my meat with chicken. Let's bring you closer. Let me lower my camera a bit. My chicken is cooked now. I'm going to be using that pot. So I made some corn. If you watch my other mini grocery haul, I bought some corn on the cup. So I made some corn and I boiled some eggs. Yeah, so now I'm going to make my stew, which you can use to eat anything you like. So it's like a sauce, which I'm going to make now. So we call it stew. Yeah, so just tomatoes based, tomatoes, some red sweet bell pepper, some onion, some shallot. Yes, I got everything in there. Got some peppers in there, some scotch bonnet, some shallot, and some sweet bell pepper. Yeah, that's why it's in there. So I'm just going to blend it up. And also I'm going to be using my ginger and garlic paste. I like using that. And of course my tomatoes. I like these tomatoes, but they are not sponsoring my video. I just like the tomatoes, guys. It's really nice. It's just crushed tomatoes. I really like using it a lot. So I'm using 2 of that. And of course my chopped onions. Yeah, and I'm going to be using some cooking oil. So I'm going to be using some some vegetable cooking oil. Okay, guys, so I'm going to actually blend my pepper and what do you call it now? My scotch bonnet, my pepper, my scotch bonnet, and my shallots first. Yeah, I'm going to be blending this first. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, let's cook. Okay. So normally when I'm cooking my stew, I normally start with salt, just a little bit of salt. That's how I start my stew. Not everybody cook this way, so I just add a little bit of salt. Trying to put the heat on a low stroke medium heat. And then I had my onion. That's how I made my stew. Then I had this. Yes, Jiro. Thank you. Okay, guys, so I've added my ginger and garlic paste. Next, I had my blended pepper, shallots, Scotch bonnet pepper, I don't know how you call it, Scotch bonnet pepper is in there, and sweet bell pepper, guys. My brain is freezing. Yeah, so I'm going to add this now. I just cover it a bit. I wait for it to boil. I put on a high heat, so I wait for it to boil, simmer, and then I will add my bottled tomatoes to it, and then add some garam masala, curry powder, paprika, and some crayfish shrimps. Okay, guys, so my sauce has boiled now, so I'm going to add the tomatoes. If I can get it to open. Oh dear, can't even get it to open.
Hi guys. I just came back from school. I'm going upstairs to change. I'll be back in the kitchen.
Okay.
Oh, we have I thought you were using your candle. I thought you were going to use your candle.
Okay, guys, so I've added my tomato. I just stir it together. So you can use this sauce to eat rice, spaghetti, boiled yam, boiled plantain, pasta. So I'm going to be adding some garam masala. I just eyeball, I don't measure it, I just eyeball it and put the amount I want. Some curry, the same, I don't measure it. Some paprika, hot paprika, I don't measure it, I just put what I want. There is already scotch bonnets there, so I'm not going to be adding grounded chili pepper. So I stir it together. Okay guys, so I'm going to be adding some aromat. This one is nearly gone, so I'm going to open a new one. As you can see, that is gone. Oh dear. So I'm going to be adding a new aromat. I just add to the taste the quantity I want, I don't measure it. So I'm not adding a lot, just a bit, that's it. It looks like a lot, but it's not. I just like sprinkle it. It's not a lot in there. Remember, I've already added salt, so I can't add too much aromat. If not, it's going to be too salty. So I'm going to taste it first now and see if I need to add anything else or not. So this is how it tastes back home in Nigeria. You put it on your finger. Okay. I'm not going to be adding any more aromat, but I still need a bit of seasoning, so I'm going to add jumbo crayfish flavor stock instead of adding aromat or adding non-Maggi cube or onga cube. I'm going to add this one. I think that is going to make it just to be alright. It's nearly finished, it's nearly gone. I don't have a lot left. So I'm just going to add one, what do you call this spoon? Tablespoon or spoon you used to eat rice? I don't know. Is it a tablespoon? It's not a teaspoon anyway. Yeah, just add one of that and a bit. Okay, that's it. I'm just dropping everything today. I don't know why. So I stir it. Okay. So what I'll do now, I cover it, and let it simmer for probably about 6 minutes. I'll leave it to simmer for like 6 minutes. And then I will add my chicken and turkey. I don't so much like using my meat stock when I'm cooking. Sometimes I use just a spoon, like this spoon, I just take some of the liquid and pour in. Sometimes, but not every time. Sometimes I store the liquid to use to cook jollof rice. Yeah, but not in my stew. Sometimes I don't put it. Sometimes I do, not every time. So yeah, so I'm going to put the chicken and the turkey when this has simmered like about 5 minutes. So I'm just going to clear this place, put everything away, and I'll come back to you guys. Hope you're enjoying the video. Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you're liking the video. Okay, yeah, see you in a bit. guys, so my stew has been boiling for like 5 minutes. So I'm going to add my chicken. Let's just bring you guys close to the pot. Let's bring it close to the pot because we are cooking together. Today's dinner, we are making it together. So yeah, I've reduced the heat so it's not splashing everywhere. So now I am going to be adding my chicken in there. Let me look for a more suitable spoon. Oh dear. Because this chicken is to be hard, that's why I didn't put it in the oven to grill. If you grill it, it becomes too hard again. So yeah, just going to add them to the stew now. So I'm adding the chicken and the turkey. So I'm going to pour this stock in a container and keep it in the fridge, and I'll use it to make, let me bring this to see, you can see my face. Yeah. So I'll keep this in a container and I'll use to make jollof rice. Okay guys, let's see our soup over here. I'm just stirring it together. You guys should bring your plate. Let me give you some. If you guys can come to my house. It looks delicious. I'm going to taste it in a minute. Just to make sure I don't need to add some of the chicken and turkey sauce, the liquid. Or the broth, I don't know how you call it. Okay guys, let's taste it together. It's really nice. I can't wait to eat some rice with it. Yum. Yummy. Bring some plates, bring your plate, let me give you some. Bring your plate, I give you some. Okay guys, so we are going to be having this with rice. You can have it with plantain, with yam. Yeah, you can have it with plantain, with yam, with just plain cooked beans, just the boiled beans without putting anything. Yeah, and you can have it with fried plantain or dodo as we call it. You can put it on top of just like grilled meat or grilled chicken, pour the sauce on top of it. You can eat it with pasta, with spaghetti, with bread, anything you can think of. Even you can eat it with eba, which is cassava flake, or pounded yam, or fufu. Yeah. Okay guys. Yeah, so my daughter is back from school. She's just here. My other daughter that like mourning, she's over there.
Hi.
Yeah, so she's over there. She's now fully dressed because she's just at home. Yeah, so I'm going to introduce you guys to all of them one of these days. Yeah, and that is Precious over there. She just came from school. I don't know what she's doing. I think she's eating some croissants and playing with her laptop. And she want me to get her Roblox.
Yesterday.
Yeah, I said I was going to get some Roblox.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So let's come back to our cooking. So our soup is here, boiling, and I've already put some rice. Let me turn the camera around. I'll show you guys. I know my face is there. Over there, I'm boiling the rice to eat the sauce with. Okay. Yeah. And in this bag here, that's my other daughter. In the bag on my table, and I got some laundry to sort out over there. I got some new bags. I'll show you guys in a minute. Okay, guys. So I've opened the bags. I'll quickly show you guys. So they are very pretty. Okay, guys. So I just got these bags a day ago, and they're going to be available on my website. Please check my website out. This particular bag is very pretty. It has, I know my lighting is not showing the bag very nicely enough, but this is one part where you open it. So I got a strap inside. So this is just one part, and then you can also open it. So the one part is just empty, just a space where you can put stuff, and then you got this magnetic clasp closure or magnetic closure, and then that's the front. This is just the front, and it got like a chain detail at the top of the strap. It got a strap, it got a shoulder strap, and this is the back. The back also opens. You can see the back opens as well. And the back, you have like another compartment, and then a middle compartment that got zip on it, so you can zip it opened. So there's a zip compartment, and then you got this, and then of course this is the other side, which is the front. So yeah, so you can put your little stuff in there. It's not that very big, it's not that very small. I don't know if I should say it's a medium, small stroke medium bag. I don't know how to say it. Or I could just say it's some big bag, small bag.
Thank you, girl.
Okay. So yeah, so I got it in two colors. Okay, that's the back, that's the front. So in case you are interested, you can get it on my website. I got another color. Alright, Gabriel. I got another color. My son just came back from school. So yes, guys, so I got another color. It's really pretty. It's a very pretty bag. Let me show you the other color, guys. I'll show you the other color. So this is the nude color. Oh, this is beige rather. This is beige. The one I showed you, this one, is cream. Okay, that's beige, that's cream. And it's really pretty, guys. So I'm going to be putting them on my website today. Okay. And then I'll show you the next bag. I only got two bags here. So I'm just going to show you the next bag. So this is the next bag. And then this one, it just got like a flap, and it got the same magnetic closure there. This one is bag in bag. This one has another small bag inside of it. It's not a very big bag, but it's a medium bag. It's not big, large, it's medium bag. And you can put some stuff in there. So you got a zip closure as well. This one has another color as well. So I'm just going to zip it so you can see it. So yeah, so when you zip it, that's how the inside look like. It has another small bag, which is this one I'm touching. So yeah, so I got this bag inside. So I bring this one out. So I got this bag. I got that other bag in, and this inside, this just just make the inside look nice. So yeah, so that's how the inside looks like. Okay, guys. And then this is the other bag, the bag inside the one I just showed you. So this one, it has a strap. Oh, so the bag comes with this additional strap that you can use to carry the big one, or you can use to carry this one. Then it has this strap as well, so it comes with 2 straps. And inside this small bag, which I have a similar bag, but mine is not the same plain leather. You know, I use this one a lot as well when I'm going shopping. I'm sure you guys must have seen it in one of my videos, the gold bag I normally carry. It's bag in bag. That one has like the big one, the one I carry, and it got another small one. So I think it got like 3 bags and then a small card wallet. So inside this bag, it has a pocket where you can put your mobile phone. That's where my finger, I don't know if I can show you guys. You can see it got a zip pocket as well inside. And then it got a small pocket where you can put your phone and your, I don't know if you guys can see it properly, and your phone, bus pass. And of course, you got the paper. The paper is just to make the bag stand properly. Okay, guys, so let me show you guys the other color, because I'm going to be ending this vlog soon. Yeah, let me show you guys the other color. So this one, this bag just go into the other bag. So if you want to use this one separate, you can use this one separate. If you want, you can use the 2 of them together. The leather quality is superb. The quality is beautiful. Very, very good quality. Yeah, so that's the back, that's the front. Okay, guys, so I'll show you guys the other color. So it's like 2 shades of purple. This is a different shade of purple. So this is the other color, and that's the back, that's the base, and you got it back inside, just the same as the one I just showed you guys, the same thing. Okay, guys, I got 2 straps as well. That's 1 strap, and then I got the other strap inside. Okay, guys, so yeah, so in case you guys are interested, my website details will be on top of this video, or it will be on the description box, or it's just simply just type sophiasfab.com, and we ship worldwide. This bag are going to be selling for about £29, between 28 29 pounds. Okay, guys, the same with this one. This one is going to be around 26 pounds. Sorry, my daughter is just sneezing. So this is going to be around 26 pounds. So we ship worldwide. If you live in the UK, the shipping is a little more cheaper. And if you are living abroad, the shipping is reasonable, and there's a 10% discount on the website for your first order. So you can get 10% off all this new bag. There's a lot of new stuff. I got a lot of other new things like makeup brushes, makeup beauty stuff. They are all new, which I'm adding, so you can get 10% off all of them. So to get the 10%, you need to visit my website. Once you visit, you will see the link will just pop up. There's a little pop-up thing that will come on your screen, and it gives you the code. So yeah, so you can buy any bag you want. I have other bags there, but this ones are new. They just came yesterday, day before yesterday. I just got them. Okay, so more bags are coming, guys. So yeah, so if you like, just go to my website and check out more stuff. I got a lot of jewelries there as well. Okay, guys, yeah, stay tuned and I'll show you how my stew is looking like. Okay, guys, so my stew is ready. As you can see, my stew is ready. You can see the oil on top of it, so that will tell you that the stew is ready now. It's cooked. I got my sweet corn here, which I've cooked already. I got some eggs, which I've cooked already. So this I'm just going to transfer into a container. That is just the broth for the chicken and the turkey. Okay, guys, so my rice is still cooking. Once it's done, all of us are going to be having some rice. Yeah, guys. Yeah, so I think I'm going to be ending the vlog here because I have other stuff to do. Okay, I hope you guys have really enjoyed the vlog. There's no much today, just random things I'm doing. So yeah, don't forget to check out my website for bags, jewelries, Makeup are coming soon. Some nice makeup I'm going to be adding to the website. And I got some new lingerie in case you like wearing sexy lingerie. Okay, I got those there as well. And there's loads of jewelry, some earrings. I'm not wearing earrings today. Some loads of jewelries, bangles, bracelets are coming on the website, and more bags are coming, and more beauty products are coming on the website soon. So please guys, support my website, support my channel, support my business, please. And I'll continue to pray for you guys. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you guys all in my next vlog or in my next video. Take care of yourself. God bless. Love you all.